So if your Windows 11 keeps locking randomly or automatically by itself, then here's the quick video solution for that. So for that reason, you need to go to the search bar and simply search for the settings. Once you have done it, you will probably see the system option onto the left side. Open this up and you will find the power option. So open the power, and once you have done it, you will see screen and sleep option. Just expand this option, and from here turn off my screen after, and these two options set to never. Or you can select the upper time, like put my device to sleep after this hour. So select the hour according to your needs. So after doing so, you need to go once again to the left side and select the personalization. After doing so, simply go with the lock screen, and then from here you need to open up screensaver. Now as you can see guys, we have this option ticked up, but we need to untick this option and simply go and press on the apply and go with the OK. Now once you have done it, simply you need to close this up and go to the search bar once again for the last time and simply search for the control panel. Open the control panel up, find the power options. From here there is the power options, so open these power options up, and then from here you can simply see and see this option, change plan settings. So open this up, and then from here turn off the display. You can select it to never and put the computer to sleep as never as well. So after doing all of this process, I hope your problem is fixed. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.